Day, George, and our tutorial today is all about Microsoft Excel 2007. First, what is an Excel? Excel is an electronic spreadsheet. We use Excel for organizing our data into rows or columns, and we use to perform this Excel for mathematical calculations quickly. We'll go to the Microsoft Excel. We need to be familiarized with the commands and interface of Microsoft Excel 2007. Press the Microsoft Office button. You'll find it left top corner of the Excel 2007. We use command for creating new file, opening our existing file, file. Then ask if we want to replace the name of the file or the format of the worksheet. Then print if you want to quick print or print before printing it. Then prepare to send it to your email or to your internet fax. Then push it to the your work document workplace and to your document management server. Then button is the close if you want to close the the Excel. Then the next command is the quick access toolbar. Use this command for easily saving our file. Then undo for back our previous that we have taken. Then redo for reapplying that we have rolled back. Then and third part is the title bar. It is the name of the Excel and the name of the worksheet. Below the ribbon, ribbon 7 menus. First is the home tab, customizing our font, then changing the alignment, then insert if you want to insert some tip art, curve, and table. Then the page layout for customizing our margin, formulas, then the date for quick access in the web, the review change or check the spelling of the that you input in your data before changing the view of the Excel. The next trace is the name box. The name box tells you whether the name of the cell. For example, you will go to the specific cell that you want to go. Just input the cell name and then enter it. Then you will see the it will display the name of the cell. Then next is the formula bar. It displays the formula that you use, or it displays the data that you input in the cell. Not seeing now your formula bar. Just go to the view tab, then look for the formula bar and check the formula bar. Then the formula bar will appears. Then this is the worksheets. Worksheets is the white part, the format, the big white part of the cell. It consists of columns and rows. Now we have all known the and familiarized with the cell. Now we should go to how to around the cell. First, go to the cell. Then try to click the arrow down. Then you will see the cell is moving down. The next arrow up, your cell will go up. Then right arrow is for changing your direction to the of the cell to the right. Then this, if you want to go to the left, you're using the left and arrow key, you can also use the tab for move to the right, plus tab for moving your cell to the left. We go now to the quick for looking to the cells so quickly. Before, like I said in the name box, use it to locate the cell quickly, and you should try the F5 command for going quickly. Just input the name of the that you want to, for example, C8, then click OK. Visit the where you're in the cell A8 now. Then this from F5, you can also use the Control G. The cell B10, then click and OK. And you will now go to the cell B10. Aside from going to the cell quickly, we will go to how to enter data in the worksheets. First, we need to go to the first cell, the A1. Try to type your full name there. Your name, George Pideo. Then enter. Then you that your name is now on cell 1. Then the next is the how to delete the data in your cell. Just click the arrow that you have inputted the data, then click the delete or simple as press space. Then, or you can also go to the formula bar if you want to delete your data that you inputted in the cell. Then enter. Data that you inputted in the cell A1 has already deleted. The next is how to edit your data. Like going, I like the deleting your. It always is to the same. Just and type again name, then date the cell, then press F2 instead of backspace. Then instead of your name, just input your middle name, Bilicano. Then you put full name, then enter. The next exercise is how to use the wrap text. You can see your data that you inputted in the cell A1 isn't cell. So you will text, just click the cell, then go to tab, then text command, then wrap text. Then your data that's put in the cell is already fitted. Then if you want the font of your uh, again press F2, then highlight all the font style, go to the home tab, font style that you want to do, uh, Arial narrow, and click that. If you want to customize the size of the font, just go look for the font size font size. Then there's numbers and click you want, tell, and enter. If you want to merge two cells in a one cell, just click the cell one, the cell you want to merge, like that. Then click the enter at the home tab. You can see cell A1B1 is already merged cell. So that's my tutorial for the day.